Hi friends, today our video is about grace, grandeur and golden threads, and that's Kalanjali Paithani in 3 different patterns. First one, tissue Paithani, a gorgeous white tissue Paithani silk saree with purple and pink Meena butta all over the saree with a nice zari border and with rich Paithani pallu. Saree price is 15,000 rupees. Colors in tissue Paithani are red with purple and green butta, white with cherry butta. Second pattern is plain Kalanjali Paithani. Pink saree with floral cherry butta all over the saree and cherry border with rich Paithani pallu. Saree price is 13,500 rupees. Colors are red and white. Third pattern is similar to previous one but with a slight difference in butta. Bottle green saree with coin butta all over the saree and a rich cherry border with Paithani pallu. Saree price is 13,500 rupees. Colors in this pattern are peacock blue, royal blue, red and pink. All these sarees are our own manufactured pure handloom Paithanis. To book sarees, please WhatsApp us.